Alright, River, you choose the place this time.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah, River, and try not to crash into a tree.
Hey, it's not my fault, it's the tree's fault.
yeah, who put the trees there?
Kai did, so it's his fault. Let's do this outskirts over here of Boneyard.
Okay.
Yeah, but I was never really an athletic kid, you know. I mean, for like one good year I was, like when I was younger, but like I kind of gave up.
You're too young to give up when it comes to that kind of stuff.
Why do you think I started playing? Why do you think I started playing games?
Yeah, true.
I used to run a lot, now I don't.
Yeah, I used to be a soccer player. Well, that used to be a lot of running.
In my school, I used to get into finals for relays.
Yeah.
Like, I don't even want to be there for that.
Yeah.
Because I don't know why, but like relay races are so much fun.
Yeah. I mean, oh, shit.
What's your guys' fastest mile?
I have no idea.
I don't either. Like, it's been
Oh, he's right next to me. What the hell?
SMG here.
River, I'm on you. Is he driving off?
I used to have to do a lot of fitness testing back in my old school, but like
It's going quick.
the schools I've been in now, like they don't even like do like fitness testing until like at least twice a year. I
This might
used
get
to
him.
do it 24/7.
No way. You actually, did you target him?
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, he got out.
You lost on him. That's, oh, he got out.
Yeah. I
Hilarious.
destroyed the vehicle though.
Oh, okay.
What's your
Alright,
fastest
okay.
mile, Kai? I want to get back to my fastest.
Down. I don't know.
Nice.
I haven't really gone for a quick mile before. I think my fastest, it's not fast, I've never been fast, but I think like 7 minutes? 8 minutes, around there.
Ooh, nice.
What's that considered? Is that considered
LMG.
pretty good?
Pretty good is 6.
Enemy team is tracking your location.
Damn, he's right beside you.
I'm a threat! My average was like 6:15, and then my fastest was like 5 flat.
I have a feeling they're over here somewhere,
There,
because
I'm gone.
boxes have been looted on this way. Or maybe not.
Yeah, they're probably around here. If they were.
330.
Like, you see that?
Pretty sure that's them, because it just went up.
SMG here.
They dropped a loadout.
UAV overhead.
Already?
Mm-hmm.
Sighted on target.
Oh, yep.
Target
That has to be
spotted.
them. River, can you drop your money for me really quick? I'm gonna go buy a loadout for us.
Oh yeah, they're over there.
Sighted on target.
Oh,
Wow.
oh, camper.
One's close, yep.
Another one. Yeah.
I got one of them. No, they're moving in.
Camping in the corner.
Yeah, they're rushing right now.
Gas is inbound.
We all done?
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to
Got one?
redeploy. Your teammate was sent to the gulag.
No, he pushed it hard. Behind. I downed the other one.
Where at?
I marked
Oh.
him.
No fucking
Hey.
way,
Nice,
dude.
nice. Let me get behind the cover. Hold on.
Objective failed. Going this way.
You're good.
Be advised, your teammate
What?
had their ass kicked. You want to get up?
No.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Oh. They're above.
Oh yeah, they're over there.
So they're like around here.
Moving.
Yeah, they're above.
Target spotted.
He's right there. He's looking at us.
Oh, sniper.
You see an icy
this one
cold
guy?
back.
I'm rushing.
Is there a line anywhere I can take? Yeah,
There's
this
more
line
than
right
one.
here.
There's probably about 2 of them.
Team wipe.
Nice.
Nice.
Jailbreak.
I've
Oh,
been
wow.
told a
Alright, so we're
lie.
at 55 people. How many will
Get
come back?
ready.
I feel like at least 40 of them. 40, 30.
I think we're gonna get to like 70.
$83. That's the number.
72.
Boring. Ending with the even
72,
number.
yeah.
So we're at 51
Combatants are redeploying to the AO.
and
Oh,
57.
wow.
Wow, only 6.
A lot of them gave up and left.
One left, 50. 57 and 56 in
Enemy
about 2
UAV
seconds.
overhead.
Oh, yep, they just stopped.
You're all by yourself.
Down.
Friendly UAV
Oh,
overhead.
forget it. Oh.
Die.
Yeah, everyone's got ghosts now.
Armor box. When you guys can hold it.
Satchel? Nice.
Did you get
I
a
know,
team wipe?
another satchel.
Gas is moving.
But later, after we're done killing another team with tons of money, we get that money. And then we
See him?
have to take-
East side on the roof.
Oh yeah, I see him.
One guy, one guy.
Okay, okay.
Over here.
Downed him.
Nice.
Can get higher ground and
Yup.
get him.
Also,
Another
nice
one
shot,
sniping
man.
down in the back.
Another sniper? Yep.
Oh!
Unfortunate.
Downed him.
Don't use it, don't use it, don't use it. I got you, I got you.
Yeah, yeah.
He
That's
rezzed,
this
he rezzed,
building,
he
right?
rezzed. Right there, he rezzed.
I'm gonna move in the car.
Whoa. Okay. You're.
Damn, did you just take out a whole different person, guys?
I did.
Yeah, there's 2 of them in there.
One's down low, I think.
Yeah.
Yep. Got him.
I'm hit.
Nice. Please tell me you finished them.
I finished one.
Oh, there's still
Another
one
guy.
left there.
Do you remember 3 guys on the left of
Yeah,
us? Be
yeah,
careful.
yeah. Just keep running, keep running. Oh, jump! Oh my gosh, I hate this game so much.
We're gonna come across them right away. It's gonna suck.
Hey, Oki. I'm
I
gonna
think
push
he
to that
jumped
I
off.
see him,
spot.
see him, yeah. Hey, start shooting him because he saw us.
The guys on top of the building.
Losing ground.
Let's focus on you guys.
33
What?
people.
Oh, sniper on the left
Sniper.
side.
Good.
Oh my gosh, I think the guy on the right got me.
If you're not in the station.
We're at.
No way.
The people on the roof.
Teammates in the gulag.
Broken
You
out.
guys not get the ones on the roof?
Grenade out.
We're working on it. He's right here, Oki.
Redeploying. Stand by.
Hold on. I'm coming up, okay?
Need my stuff.
Dropping ammo.
We got a minute left.
Throwing grenade.
Where did he go? Is he not here anymore? Wait, I don't think he's there anymore.
I don't see him on the roof. I don't see him on the. Can you watch this side?
Moving. Going this.
Oh, they hit me. Oh, in front of us, in front of us. They got me. They're trying to finish me.
Where?
North.
Taking fire here.
Oh.
I see him in the tree. I see him.
They got me again. I'm dead.
Taking fire.
Nope, stay there. Okay.
You can try and res him while they're sniping the left side.
Count of 3. 1,
Thank you.
2, 3.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use these.
I lost the glint. Try and go to that marker over there.
Sniper on the left.
Oh
left
no,
up.
they're here.
Team wipe.
Nice.
I got sniped.
Let's go.
Thank
Try and
you.
wiggle around.
Oh, damn it.
You, maybe the capture.
Gas is
Oh, right here,
inbound.
right here, right here.
Marking new safe. Target spotted.
Broken arm on him.
Put it on plates. Sniper anywhere?
I just picked
Yeah,
one up.
sniper ammo?
There's a team right
No,
here.
sniper.
Right there.
I got a car, but it's fine.
The other team's on this end, that corner.
Moving up.
Alright.
Down.
We've got gas moving
Hey, River, can you pop that UAV?
I died, so.
in. Safe zone.
On the roof? On the ground?
Great mark. Let's do
Right here.
Broke armor on one.
Down one?
He's gonna have to move, he's right in front right there.
There's less than
Downed
10
him.
to go.
Nice.
You can win this.
Where's the
We
other
can
one?
just hide here, we can hide here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
They still have that brick wall as cover
Like
too.
the- Let's go like the Viet Cong.
Right here, right here.
Heading in. Wait, belay that.
Right shield.
I
Right
saw
Oh,
it.
shield.
yeah,
saw
behind
it.
it.
Yeah.
Target there.
Oh man, I hate
There's
light
two.
shields.
Gas is moving in. New
Ooh.
safe zone located.
I'm going across this way.
There. I'm going.
I downed but one.
Gas is moving.
I'm gonna try to be behind them. Got one.
Nice.
You can try and cross, I'm watching. I got the other one.
He's coughing in gas.
There's a three.
Stand a chance. Good.
Hey.
Nice.
Hey,
That's how you do it.
good job.
Oh, Nicole just sent me a video?
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah. Like it's popping right now. No!
Warrior.
Yeah!
What I'm talking about. That was a good game.
GG. GG's.
My heart. Yeah. My heart was pounding the last couple seconds. I was like, so bad. Sniping.